Alright, if you can hear me over the wind and this little camera, 2006 Toyota Sequoia. It's been sitting out here for about 12 hours. It's minus 15 degrees today. So we will try a cold start on it. Ooh, you can tell it sounds cold. Yeah, it's frozen here. Ooh, even the seats are hard. Alright. If I can get the key in the ignition. Get the air turned off so it's not loud. Here we go, minus 15. Oh man. Listen to that. Oh. Whew, boy. Oh, that's a smelly bugger today. Look at the exhaust. Look at that. This is what happens when you live in like the middle of nowhere in the winter. It's not happy. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like cold cars, and hopefully soon we have a diesel cold start over there at minus 15. So if I can get that on camera, that'll be a good one. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, stay here for all the classic car videos when it's not the middle of winter. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.